Joey Camnero, and I'm here with Xander Fajardo,
And this is
Ozracing Manila. Ulit, ayan, I'm sorry. Ulit, kasi
medyo happy ako kasi mas malapit na. At least, if I need something, hindi na magpapadala ng from Cebu.
Tsaka bagong tambayan.
Mas maganda. Bagong tambayan. Malapit sa office ko, malapit sa bahay ko. Tapos, ma-appreciate na lalo ng mga tao kasi usually sa Lazada lang nila nakikita, di ba? Yung mga from Manila. Ngayon, makikita nyo na makahawakan nyo na yung mga Ozra.
Bunsha.
Hi!
Hello, Jack. What do you think na finally may Ozracing na dito?
Actually, sobrang saya ako kasi, di ba normally if si ate nag-request,
Yep.
kailangan pa ipadala from Cebu to Manila.
So, pupunta po sa LBC or anything.
Yeah.
So-
And it'll be more convenient.
So yeah, as we all know, we have a lot of fans in Cebu. What do you wanna? What's your message for all the people that are watching your video?
For the people in Cebu, lalo yung mga fans, sa mga supporters, thank you very much for supporting me. And gusto ko mag-bisaya pero konti lang. Gamay lang eh.
Gamay lang.
yung mga clocks, yung isang clock kayo
For our TCH riders.
Okay, TCH riders, guys, ride safe. Okay, remember, be responsible. If you ride fast, make sure that you are riding within your skill level.
Alright.
Wag yung lampas do sa skill level. And I'll see you there in Cebu.
Alright, this is Joey Storm Rivero. We're out. Zambongo! Joe Brand, nagpapashoutout.
Hi, Joe Brand!
You can